Sometimes you gotta play the role of the fool to fool the fool who thinks they're fooling you. And trust me, nothing confuses a manipulator more than thinking they're in control, when really, you're 10 steps ahead. See, people who love to play games never expect to get played back. They assume you're naive, but in reality, you're just watching, letting them dig their own grave, because the best revenge is in anger. It's showing them you were never blind, just patient enough to let them expose themselves.